Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, we are going to be making some beans with mackerel and sweet potatoes. We start by washing our beans, pouring some water. I'm going to be making this in a pressure pot because this will reduce the cooking time. Here's our ingredients. We've got some red oil, sweet potatoes, roast mackerel, blended pepper, crayfish, salt to taste, chopped onions, and for extra nutrition I like to put some spinach. You can leave the spinach out if you like. While our beans is boiling, we peel and cut the sweet potato into desired chunks. I'll leave a video on how I roast this mackerel. Now the beans is half cooked. Now we add our chopped sweet potatoes. Add the chopped onions. Add some salt, the crayfish, the blended pepper, the red oil, and pour some water to cover the beans to continue cooking. Now you can see the beans is getting on. We now add the smoked mackerel, cover it, and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. When the beans is done, you can see that the water has reduced. We can stir the beans. Stir the beans very well. If you're not using spinach, your beans is ready, but if you are, we are going to add the spinach now. Don't cook the spinach for too long. Just stir it into the heat of the beans and your food is ready. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share to help this channel to grow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.